Check out this amazing Shorts channel. Their videos are getting hundreds of thousands of views. This could be the fastest and easiest untapped niche on YouTube right now. The secret? Turning tweets into viral shorts. When I first learned about this, I realized I had seen similar content from the masters themselves, Alex Hormozi and Gary Vee. Their videos, which took only seconds to make, have racked up hundreds of thousands of views. Here's how you can do it too. First, copy the link of the tweet you want to turn into a short. Next, head over to flicky.ai and log into your account. Create a new file by clicking on the New File button. A pop-up will appear where you need to fill in the project details. Choose Video as the file type, enter your file name, and select the language and accent for your video. Since we're making a YouTube short, set the aspect ratio to portrait. For the Start With option, choose Tweet and hit Submit. Now, paste the tweet link you copied earlier into the provided space. Next, you can select between stock media and AI media. We'll go with stock media. By the way, we can also add avatars and sound effects to our tweet video, but we'll skip them for now and hit Submit. Flicky will create the tweet video for you. Let's check out the video.
There is only one thing you shouldn't let go of until the last moment. Hope.
The AI-generated video looks pretty cool, but if we want it to go viral, we need to do a bit more tweaking. First, let's change the voice. Just click on the scene and then on the voice's name. Since this tweet is motivational, we want a voice that's energetic. I like the Benjamin voice for this. Give it a listen.
Flicky helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
You can apply this voice to all scenes by clicking Apply to all scenes, and then hit Select. Next, let's change the font for the tweet text. Click on the voiceover layer and go to the customization panel on the right. Here you can tweak both the voiceover and the tweet text. Scroll down and change the font from Bangers to Jostin Sands. And let's bump up the text size a bit. That looks good. Now we got two scenes, but I'm going to move the text from scene 2 to scene 1 and delete scene 2. You'll see why in a bit. So now, everything is in one scene. Let's also reposition the tweet box towards the bottom. Time to work on the media. Click on the media icon, which will open up the media selection pop-up. You can search and choose from Flicky's premium stock media library. Upload your own or generate an AI visual. I've already uploaded my media, so I'll select that. Okay, let's preview the video again.
There's only one thing you shouldn't let go of until the last moment. Hope.
It's looking much better, but it says hope before the actual moment we want to highlight. To fix this, select the empty space before the hope text and then on Add Pause. We'll set it to 3 seconds, so there's a pause before it says hope. Finally, music is super important for these shorts. Let's use the background audio layer in the common scene. Click Choose File. You can pick something from their premium music library, but I suggest checking out YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels to see what's trending. I've already done some research and uploaded music that I like, so I'll select that and turn the volume up to 50 in the customization panel. Now, let's watch the final video.
There is only one thing you shouldn't let go of until the last moment. Hope.
This looks like it could really go viral. Now it's your turn. Start creating and launching your own Tweet Shorts channel. Share your thoughts and results in the comments below.